Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a real trading journey, starting with just $240 and growing it consistently using my trusted method, the daily compounding profit strategy. This isn't just another trading technique, it's a strategy built through months of testing, refining, and real-time trading, proven to deliver up to 97% win rate. In this video, I'll walk you through every trade I made, the reasons behind each entry, and how I manage my risk effectively, combining safety and profitability. If you're serious about learning how to grow a small account into something significant, make sure to watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss future videos on powerful strategies, market psychology, and real-time trading signals. Let's dive right in. Okay, I opened a buy position because the price has successfully broken through the red line, which previously acted as a strong resistance level. After the breakout, the price consolidated above the green trend line, indicating a bullish trend. In situations like this, there is usually a strong chance for the price to continue rising due to strong buying pressure. Let's see if this position will be profitable. Okay, I opened a buy position because, based on my analysis, the market is showing signs of reversing from a downtrend to an uptrend. There's a strong reason for this. 4 consecutive bullish candles have formed, indicating the emergence of buying pressure. And most importantly, a crossover has occurred on the MACD indicator, which is often a strong early signal of trend reversal. Let's see if this position will be profitable. Yes, profit. All right, let's open another market and look for the next opportunity. Okay, I opened a sell position because right now a crossover has occurred on both the MACD indicator and the moving averages. This crossover is a strong signal that selling pressure is starting to dominate the market. Usually when both of these indicators confirm the same direction, downward, the price is very likely to continue falling in the short term. Let's see if this position is profitable. Yes, profit. All right, let's open another market and look for the next opportunity. Okay, I opened a buy position for several strong reasons. First, a crossover occurred on the MACD indicator, which is usually an early signal of building bullish momentum. Second, after that crossover, the last candle closed above the green line, which acts as the trend line or dynamic support. This condition shows that price not only has upward momentum from the indicators, but also has broken through what was previously a resistance zone. So I predict the price is very likely to start forming an uptrend. Let's see if this trade ends in profit. It's a profit. All right, let's check another market and find the next opportunity. All right, I opened a sell position based on strong technical reasons. The last candle touched the red line, which currently acts as a resistance level. This level has proven to be a very strong ceiling, where price has been rejected multiple times. In conditions like this, we often see a price reversal or bounce to the downside, especially when no candle is able to close above this resistance. So I decided to sell because there's a high probability of a downward move from this level. Let's see if this trade ends in profit. Yes, it's a profit. All right, let's open another market to look for the next opportunity. All right, I opened a buy position for some clear technical reasons. First of all, the market is currently in an uptrend. As you can see, all the recent candles are closing above the green line, which I use as a trend line or dynamic support. As long as price remains above this line, the potential for continued upward movement is still very significant. By following the main trend direction, the probability of profit is much higher, so I confidently took this buy position. Let's see if this position gives us a profit. Yes, it's a profit. Now, let's open another market to look for the next opportunity. Okay, I took a sell position based on strong technical reasons. If we look closely, a downtrend is starting to form, marked by a series of bearish candles dominating the market movement. This indicates that the market is currently under bearish control, with sellers leading the direction. As a disciplined trader, I always follow the principle of follow the trend, because going with the main trend provides a much higher probability of profit. So I entered this sell position, and let's see how it goes. Yes, it's a profit. Now, let's open another market and look for the next opportunity. I took a sell position in this market for two strong technical reasons. First, the price has reached the red line, which acts as a strong resistance level. This level has previously caused price rejections, so the chances of another bounce are very high. Second, there's a crossover on the MACD indicator, signaling a momentum shift from bullish to bearish. This further confirms the sell setup. With this combination of resistance and MACD signal, I believe there's a high probability of a downward move. Let's see the result. Yes, it's a profit. Now let's open another market and look for the next opportunity. I decided to take a sell position in this market because I believe the downtrend is still continuing. Here's why. Both the green and yellow lines, moving averages, are still sloping downward, clearly indicating that the bearish trend is still strong. Also, the green candles that do appear are weak and quickly overpowered by the following red candles. This shows that buyers aren't strong enough to reverse the market. Most of the candles formed are bearish, showing increasing selling pressure. That's why I chose to follow the trend and go for a sell position. Let's see the result. Yes, it's a profit. Now, let's open another chart and look for the next opportunity. Alright, it seems like the market conditions are no longer favorable right now. The price action is starting to lose clarity, and as traders, we must know when to stop and avoid forcing entries in uncertain situations. So, I've decided to end today's trading session. Remember, trading is not about how often we enter the market, it's about how wisely we read the conditions. If you want to learn the strategy I use, feel free to join my VIP group where I share my daily setups, strategies, and market analysis. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on the next trading content.